Hey trucker fam, people ask me all the time, how do truck drivers shower? In this video, I will be showing you how I shower. What I will be using is a small bucket. I'm going to look for a faucet at a nearby fuel station or park. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you fill it all the way up to the top. You can get a good bath. Now, let me see. I like to use a nice small bucket because it's easier to carry. Now you're gonna need to find a hideout spot so nobody can see you bathing. Somewhere like in the cut, you know, where no one can really see you. Now we can begin bathing. Just kidding. Pilot has this cool app that every time you fuel, you get a free shower. You can reserve the showers right through the Pilot Truck Stop app. That way you don't have to go inside the truck stop to reserve a shower. All you have to do is click reserve shower and wait for your code to pop up on the screen and you're good to go. Your shower will be called in 10 minutes. This is where truck drivers shower. We shower at truck stops such as Flying J Pilot, Love's, or Travel Centers of America, or any fuel station that has truck stop showers. First, you're going to enter the code in. And then the door's gonna pop right open for you just like that. I was told by a friend of mine that truck stop showers are similar to prison showers. And these are the showers. Now it's time to shower. But yeah, the shower isn't that big though. So, this is the shower room. I guess I'm gonna flush the toilet. It's very small and compact. And then they have like a little small sink here. It's super small. And this is where I put my clothes and stuff, everything that I need in this bag. Make sure you guys also have shower shoes. When you step in the shower, you don't get your feet dirty and infected with anything. And then use the towel as a floor mat for your feet. Before you get in the shower, you guys should always spray down the knob because you know people could be like touching themselves and touch that. And also get the floor too, because sometimes they don't do a really good job. Stuff like that, and you know, just get places where you're gonna touch, even the toilet. Then you know, wipe it down with this. You know, wipe it down. Whatever you do not use the truck stop towels. Those towels are meant to clean the floor and for you to step on.